Good Tuesday evening, Southeast Texas. Looks like cold weather is headed towards our area. Tonight, though, we're looking at a foggy night. It's going to be warm and humid through tomorrow with scattered showers. Then the cold front comes through on Thursday, and as we head on into Monday and Tuesday, early next week, we could be 15 to 25 degrees below normal. So you're looking at the various models. As you can see, some of the models are showing lows near or highs near 40 to the mid 40s and lower 50s, and lows in the 20s to the 30s and 40s. So a lot of uncertainty on Sunday. So basically, the best thing to do is to go with the blend, the low of 31, the high of 43, and you'll see that on the 7-day forecast. We've got the Euro Ensemble, the GFS, and the GFS Ensemble. That's what all these models are showing. So again, say Monday, lows in the 20s and 30s, highs in the 30s and 40s. Again, we're going to blend and go low of 28 in Beaumont, the high of 39. If you're in the lakes, you can add, or I should say, you could subtract at least a couple degrees off of that. Okay? This could be a damaging freeze across the area, and particularly up in the lakes. Still a little unsure on the triangle. Once we start getting into the mid-20s, that's when we start worrying about pipes here in Beaumont. So you may have some pipe issues up in the lakes area coming up Sunday, Monday into Tuesday, and you'll want to take precautions for that. Otherwise, Tuesday, little better agreement. Lows in the 20s, highs in the 40s. We'll take a blend and go the lows. This is in Beaumont, 26 and a high of 48, okay? So you can, again, take 2, 3, maybe 4 degrees off of that up in the lakes area. It all depends on cloud cover. It's very far out at this point. But again, highs only around 39 on Monday, and lows in the 40s coming up Sunday and also Tuesday. So some cold weather well below normal. In fact, we're looking at those low temperatures in the 60s tonight, and then we dive into the 20s coming up Monday and a Tuesday. That's some 20 degrees below normal, and high temperatures could be closer to maybe 25 degrees below normal, particularly on Monday if this verifies. Otherwise, it's going to be warm and humid the next couple of days. This is the GFS model. So if we've got cold Arctic air in place and we head into Monday into Tuesday like I think we are, and you bring a disturbance in, this is the setup. It's called pattern recognition, and this is what we're looking at. Disturbance moving on in. A little bit early to tell exactly the type of precipitation, but I think it's going to be a wintry mix, maybe some snow up in the lakes area. Unfortunately, we could have all three here in the triangle with freezing rain, sleet, possibly snow. It all depends on the elevated warm layer just above the surface, whether or not that mixes out. Otherwise, it's going to be freezing rain and sleet here in the triangle. This is one model. That's why I'm going to show you a different model, which is the GFS, and it's showing a mix of sleet and snow here in Beaumont also. So something to watch. Good chance of rain coming up on Thursday. Euro obviously wetter than the GFS, which is showing 1.5 inches. But again, we dry out this weekend. And then as we head on into Monday, late Monday, more precipitation moves in. Both models show that. So there's an increasing certainty and confidence that we will see something as far as precipitation, maybe mixed precipitation coming up on Monday. And there's the Euro. And as you can see, it's showing a mix of sleet and snow in Beaumont, maybe all snow up in the lakes area. So something to watch. Hopefully it's snow and not freezing rain and sleet here in the triangle. Otherwise, the disturbance that is going to bring us the rain coming up on Thursday with the front will be moving through. We get a break on the weekend. That disturbance then moves on in as we head on into, say, the early part of next week, Monday night, Monday afternoon. So again, it's hard for us here in Southeast Texas to go from rain to mixed precipitation. I grew up here. I know. I've lived here all my life. That's 53 years. So it's not impossible, but 9.5 times out of 10, for us to get snow, you got to have temperatures at freezing or below. Check. Number 2, you have to have a disturbance coming on in. Check. So 2 checks right there out of 2. Looking pretty good at this point if everything lines up as we head towards Monday night into Tuesday. Again, very early to tell whether this is going to be freezing rain or sleet here in the triangle or snow. My thinking is right now it's going to be sleet and maybe some freezing rain here in the triangle, and mainly sleet and snow up in the lakes area. But again, that's very early. So over the next 24 hours, we're going to watch this front sneak in and semi-stall across the area. It may lift back to the north, making temperature forecasts exceedingly difficult. As you can see, scattered showers, light showers tomorrow, but we're expecting temperatures into the upper 60s to lower and middle 70s. On the Gulf of Mexico, slightly choppy seas around 1 to 2 feet in your coastal marine forecast with a southeast wind at 5 to 10 knots, water temperature 57. Our forecast tonight, dense fog with a 20% coverage of drizzle, warm and humid, lows maybe into the mid-50s in the lakes to near 60 in the triangle. Then tomorrow, a humid day with a 40% coverage of showers, highs low to mid-70s. Extended forecast. Again, I feel better about the forecast as we head through the weekend than what we were seeing earlier this week, which was yesterday. Cold front comes in on Thursday, again 72. We could see temperatures falling through the late afternoon hours on Thursday. Okay, just be aware of that. Friday and Saturday looks mainly dry, lots of clouds, turning progressively colder as that Arctic air begins moving in. We get another push on Sunday and temperatures start tanking. And that means on Monday and Tuesday we could wake up with lows in the 20s. So you mix something in here with highs around 39 with falling temperatures, and late Monday could be some problems as far as wintry mix across the area, and that all moves on out. And slowly but surely, as we head towards maybe Thursday of next week, temperatures start rebounding, but we're still talking about lows in the 30s and highs in the 50s. So next week looks like a cold week, maybe the coldest weather so far, definitely so far this season that we've seen in southeast Texas. Lots can change. This is the most reasonable forecast, and I can come up with something to watch as we head towards Monday. Download our app, follow us on Facebook and Twitter, and as always, there's more weather at 12newsnow.com.